Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss about the first question in the third homework. Again, let's first see the problem. In this problem, we are given the probability of x equals k equals b times k times p to the power of k minus 1, and k equals 1 to dot 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 infinity. And the p is greater than 0 and less than 1. The question A asks us to find a b. So the probability of x equals k can represent a probability mass function. We know if this is a probability mass function, then the infinite sum of probability will equal 1. And we have b times the sum of k equals 1 to the infinity. That's k times p to the power of k minus 1 equals 1. And the right and this infinity sum equals 1 over 1 minus p squared. So b equals 1 minus p squared. Question B asked us to find expectation of x. So it equals the infinity sum of k times b times k times p to the power of k minus 1, and it equals 1 minus p squared times infinity sum of k squared times p to the power of k minus 1, and it equals 1 plus p over 1 minus p, because p is greater than 0 and less than 1. The question C asks us to find expectation of x squared. So just like we did in question B, we need to calculate the 1 minus p squared times infinite sum of k cubed times p to the power of k minus 1, and it equals p squared plus 4p plus 1 over p minus 1 squared. The question D asks us to find expectation of x squared minus the square of expectation of x, and we use the answer in question B and question C, and it equals 2p over 1 minus p squared. In question E, we assume that p equals 1 over 3, and we need to find the conditional probability mass function. That the probability of x equals k, given x is greater or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 5. So we know this probability equals the probability of x equals k, and x is greater or equal to 2 and less than 5 or equal to 5 over the probability of x in the range of 2 and 5. So we know that the probability equals the probability of x equals 2 plus the probability of x equals 3 equals 4 equals 5, and it equals approximately 0.538, and based on this result, we know that the probability we needed equals 1 over 0.538 times 4 over 9, which means b, and times k times 1 over 3 to the power of k minus 1, and the x should be greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 5, and it equals 0 otherwise.